welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kicey Denise. If this is your very first time watching one of my videos, I just hope and I pray that you like it enough, hallelujah, that you want to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you'll be notified whenever your girl uploads a video and you can become part of the family. If you're a returning family member, what up, cousins? Y'all already know how we do it, okay? So as you read from the title, this is going to be another Boohoo haul and try on. I know I don't have on the black and white robe, but don't worry, sis. I'm still going to try it on for you, okay? Don't worry. I got you. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching. And don't stress. If you like anything, I'm gonna leave those links down below. Boom. Alright, so the first thing I got was this blue or gray leopard print pleated skirt. I want to say it looks like a baby blue. I don't know if on camera if it's coming off blue or gray, but it looks like a baby blue. So I got this to pair with, I have no idea what I'm going to pair it with, but I'm going to pair it with something. Next, I got this two-piece set. It's like yellow daisies, and it's a maxi skirt. It has slits, and it comes with a tube top. I can already tell this tube top gonna be too big because, you know, I don't got no boobies. So I'll figure out a way to make it work because this is really big. But yeah, I got this two-piece set. Next, I got these floral daisy shorts. They're looking real little. Not as much fabric as I thought, but we're gonna see how they work out, but I thought they were cute just to kind of probably wear around the house. But depending on how short they is, I might can sneak out the door with them. We'll see. Next, I got this leopard pencil skirt. It's actually knee length, so I don't have a knee length or pencil skirt in leopard. I got a little short one from them, but I don't have the long one, so I wanted to get the long leopard skirt, so I got that. So I know before a lot of my hauls have been a lot of black and white. So I was trying to switch it up for y'all and give y'all a little color. So I got this yellow suspender shorts thingy majigger. It's shorts, but it has suspenders, jumper, whatever you want to call it. I got this. I thought it would be cute. It's looking a little short too, but we shall see. Next, I got this daisy floral print chiffon shirt blouse dress. I don't know what I was trying to say, y'all, but it's a shirt dress, but a blouse, a shirt dress. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anywho, I got this. It's definitely see-through, so black panties, or you want to put some tights up under this thing. I'm just saying, because it's real see-through. Unless that's your thing, you know, do you, boo-boo. But as for me in my house, hello, somebody. I'm gonna have to put something up under this thing, okay? I got this rust color skirt. It has ruffled. This ain't no skirt, it's a darn dress. I got this rust color dress, okay? And it has ruffles at the bottom, and then ruffles, and the straps have ruffles. And I don't know what this little thing is, but this got ruffles too. It was cute on the model. I'll figure it out, but yeah, I got this too. This next item was one I was really excited about. It's this leopard print harem jogger pant. The material is super soft, y'all. Like, it literally feels like it's going to be so comfortable. And I legit can't wait to try this on because I love me some leopard, y'all. Y'all already know that, so don't act surprised. But yeah, I got these. So this is how the bottom looks. And yeah, I'm excited about these. You guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you want to purchase any of these items, I will definitely leave the link down below so that way y'all can check them out and get your hands on them. If you guys want to see more of these videos, you already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.